Welcome to an introduction to building iOS applications with Swift and Xcode by Packt Publishing. My name is Johan Kerr, and I've been a Swift developer for the last 5 years. We're going to be using the Swift language and Xcode to learn how to build iOS mobile applications. In the first section, we're going to learn how to create a new application, and we're going to tour the Xcode program. In the second section, we're going to learn how to build our user interface. We're going to use storyboards in Xcode to lay out our application. We're going to create segues to go from one screen to the next, and we're going to use auto layout to fit it to different screens. In the third section, we're going to learn how to connect to the internet. We're going to be using an API to fetch information off the internet and use that same information in our application. In the fourth section, we're going to learn about authentication and authorization. We're going to take what we learned in section 3 and we're going to use an API to log in and sign up. In the fifth section, we're going to learn how we can persist information using core data. We're going to learn all about entities and entity relationships and use that to store information on our phone. In the sixth section, we're going to learn about how we can add third-party libraries to our application and use them to really clean up and improve our code base. In the seventh and last section, we're going to prepare our application for submission to the App Store. We're going to learn about all the steps that are required for getting our application ready for production. This video course was created to teach you how to use the Swift language to build mobile applications. By the end of this video course, you will be able to successfully create your own iOS application. To be able to fully understand this video course, you will need to have a basic understanding of the Swift programming language. Let's begin our journey into learning how to build iOS apps.